This is for the new student experience class. Slides are as follows. Sport I'm most interested in is goalball. It's a sport for visually impaired and blind athletes. It is played all over the world, including the Paralympic Games. If you'd like to know more about this sport, you could always Google it or just feel free to ask me. This is just one of many accomplishments for this particular sport. We happened to win gold that year for the national championships. There's me. As far as what I hope to learn, I really want to understand how to manage online courses more. They're very difficult for me to wade through all the material. And, slideshows and online presentations. This is my first one ever, so hopefully it's good. As far as what I want my instructor to understand, again, online courses and how they really don't work very well for me.